Hello everyone, let's try this Google Easter doodle today. You may have seen these kinds many times from their search page. So I'm going to go to File, create a new file. I'll go with 1920 by 800, 72 pixels per inch, and create. I'll type in Google here. I'm going with Futura font. If you want to install one, I have it in the folder. I'll use any color for now. That's just for my guide. And I stretch that out. Okay, enter. Let's bring in the grass. Go to File, Place Embedded. Green grass. Place it here. I wouldn't want to scale it up, so I'm just going to copy it right beside. Hit enter. To copy, hold down Alt or Option key and click and drag to make a copy. And I'm going to merge these two. So select both, hold down Shift key on your keyboard, select these two. Also, if you want to hold down Command or Control key, that works fine as well. So select these two, right click, merge layers, right click and merge layers. And if you want to brighten up this connected part, you can use the dodge tool to brighten up this part. Or you can also go back, hit Command or Control Z, use the rectangular marquee tool to select this part and go to Edit, Fill, select Content Aware, and this will fill it in with the outside images. I'm going to make a copy of this grass, so right click Duplicate Layer or hit Command or Control J. And to cut out the grass part, hold down Command or Control key on your keyboard, select this T over here. What I'm going to do is firstly color this part with the color that I can grab from the grass. Use the eyedropper tool. I'm going to zoom in, select the part that's close to this text, but it's something bright. Okay. Go to Edit, Fill, use the foreground color. Okay. Now deselect, hit Command and Control D. And this time use the Magic Wand tool to select this color. You'll see how it's selecting some parts of this grass as well. You can increase the number a little bit if you want to select a little more. Let's go like 4. Let's try. If you're doing it too much, if you do 70, you can see how it includes too much of that grass. Go back, deselect. Let's do about 35 and select it again. I'm going to include, it's already in this option, include to the selection. I'm going to go ahead and select the other ones. Okay. And now this time we're going to use Select and Mask command. Hide this and go to this layer where there's only grass, not the text. Go to Select and Mask. If you don't see this option from here, go to Select and Mask. For the view, I'm going to select on layers. Try to get rid of that jiggly look. So increase the feather and the contrast. Keep it that way. Okay, if you go all the way down, let's output it to new layer and hit OK. I'm going to drop a shadow for this layer, double click on that layer. Oops, not the name. Drop shadow, go to that section, and adjust where the sun is coming. I'm just trying to make it look a little thicker. And hit OK. And the rest, how you want to design this, is all up to you. If you want to delete this O, you can go back, use the rectangular marquee tool, and replace it with the nest. Hit backspace key on your keyboard. I'm going to hide that. And I've shared the PNG elements file. Drag that in. Place it with the next. And this L as well. Go to that layer. Gonna delete that. And bring the branch instead. Enter. And also I'll bring some eggs. Go to File, Open up this egg file. Use the Quick Selection tool. Select this part. Hit Command or Control C, Command or Control V. I'm going to copy everything and then shrink it down later so they're the same proportion. Command or Control C, Command or Control V. So select both of these, hit Command or Control T. Get smaller. Oops. Down here. There's another JPEG image. Go to File, Open. Let's try this one. Select that. Command or Control C to copy. Command or Control V. I'm going to go back and forth, paste everything in, and then shrink all at the same time. Deselect. Okay, so I'm going to select all these, hold down Shift key, select top and the bottom layer. I'm going to Control T, make it small, enter, and just click and drag all these to the position. So as to go on top. So I'll bring this down all the way down here. Also, I can add shadows to these eggs as well. I'm going to select all these to put it in a folder. Hold down Shift key, select top and the last one at the bottom right here. Select, click on the folder. So it goes all in one folder. And you can double click on that layer to add drop shadow, or you can copy the shadow. Hold down Alt or Option key, click and drag that shadow to this group folder. And the shadow will also be applied to these eggs as well. If you want to uninclude, this branch is included as well. If you want to take it out, click and drag it outside. Or if you don't want to leave it with the shadow, just include it in as well. So that's all for today, everyone. If you want to explore more, you can go to google.com/doodles to check out all these cool Google Doodles.